Windows 11 automatically updates apps from the Microsoft Store, which can consume internet data and sometimes cause unwanted changes. In this video, I'll show you how to disable app auto updates in Windows 11, step by step. First, click on the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store opens, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Store Settings. Here you'll see the App Updates option. Simply toggle this switch off to stop apps from updating automatically. If your Windows version allows it, you can also select how many days you want auto updates to remain disabled. That's it. Auto app updates are now disabled on your Windows 11 system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.